Hayi umngane wami. Yabona njengoba kunjena nje. Kukhona ukuxhaphazeka okunje la emhlabeni. Sishoniswa le. Khulileka. Akuvelanga kwaba nje. Khona abayitshela ukuthi basile. Uyezwa? Bathatha izaqheqhe. Base beshiya umlaza bawushiyela ama messages. Lalela. Ithuluzi lokulungisa impilo yakho, ufeza amaphupho akho. Ufulfile i-cosmic purpose ekwenza ukuthi ube la uphila impilo enokuthula. Lelo thuluzi lelo ligodlwe abathile. Uyezwa? Ligodlwe abathile balisebenzisa ke. Balisebenzisa against wena. Lento ifana nokuthi kuthathwe isikhali kuwena sakho bese lesi sikhali sisetshenziswa against you. Ayizwa leyo nto? Ngoba le knowledge kwakuvele kuyiknowledge ukuthi wena uyisebenzise ukuze wena ukwazi ukufulfilla i-cosmic purpose yakho yokuba la. Wawunikiwe imanual, awuvelanga wabeka la. Kodwa khona abayitshela ukuthi basile. Whether they are deities, whether they are entities, whether they are physical people, but the thing is khona abayitshela ukuthi basile over you, over okhokho bakho ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasha uthi ngenzeka noma yini. Noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Zikhona ke indaba ezimnandi kulento engishoyo. Bakhona abasala. Babamba leli qiniso base belicascade kuma messages ngoba leli qiniso la bese lishintshwa time to time lashintshwa la weaponizwa. Yes, ukuze wena uzozidla umsila njengenyoka. Yayizwa lonto. Umthetho wokuqala kuma hermetic principles, hermetic philosophy, it is the law of mentalism. Umthetho wokuqala loyo uthi the universe is mental. Okusho ukuthi if you want to change your life, if you want to change your reality, all is here. But they used that information against you. Let me confirm something before ngiqhubeka ngoba ngibona ngathi le phone ifuna ukulowa ikhatha la ngenxa ye network. Kuyenzeka ngiqede ivideo kanti angisekho audible. Isezwakala. Okay. Iyodwa ke into abasebeyisebenzisa. They tamper with your reality through lemthetho ewu7. Kodwa into abadila nayo la i-operating system ela bese besebenzisa lemthetho ewu7 against you. Yes, of which now you can use lemthetho ewu7 in your favor. Yabo? So akuthathwa ke noma ubani lapha ayofundiswa lezi zinto. Akuthathwa noma ubani. Kuthathwa abantu aba-influential befakwe la. Bese befundiswa lezi zinto. Khona bezokwazi ukuqhuba amandla obumnyama okuweaponize. So ke wena hlakanipha ke. Ungalali. Hlakanipha ungalali. Yazi ukuthi kune information oyidingayo ukuthi uyithole. Ejulile izaqheqhe angikhulumi ngemotivation mina la. Angikhulumi ngemotivation la. Motivation can get you started, but there are serious things, occult knowledge. Yes. Yeyizwa lonto. Esoteric knowledge. Yes. Okushintsha i-base metal uyenza gold. That is mental transmutation, mental alchemy. Ama-ancient ayihlakaniphe kabi. Ayihlakaniphe kabi. Yabo? Kwakukhulu ababekwanza but things were lost in translation. They were just lost in translation. So yabo, as much as uzobona ama messages la kuyakhona ama messages, don't go there. Don't go there. La kuyakhona ama messages, but la kuyakhona few. Those are the elite baba. La kuyakhona the few, because izaqheqhe zishiyelwa only the few. Yabo? Seek first the kingdom of God, and the kingdom of God is within you. Le nto icashile le nto. Kodwa ayikho eningini. Ngihlezi ke ngiba i-ambassador. I'm always in favor of the Hermetic principles. Surely vele akuyona kanombani le. But can get you started. Yabo? Can get you started. Uma kuukuthi the all is mental. Everything is the mental expression of a universe. Hey. If everything is mind, then bese kuba khona umthetho othi as above so below. Then even your reality is the expression of the mind. Lento isho ukuthi surely reality ayikho fixed. Bafethu ayi elukuyeka abafana bami hayi ngeke elukuyeka. Jule kakhulu lento ngizoyikhuluma kahle. Yabona lento ifuna ngiyikhulume kahle. Angisho ukuthi mhlambe I'm part of these 3 initiates. But I'm fascinated by knowing the truth. That the truth was hidden in plain sight. And knowing that everything is within my control, my powers. In fact, the reality. I can experience the reality that I want to experience. Lokho kuzokwenza ukuthi ngivume ukuthi I'm the one who is responsible. Not the political party. Should lokho kuzongenza ukuthi ngingadansiswa abantu bezepolitiki. Ngingadansiswa uhulumeni. Engabikho umuntu ozongidansisa except mina. Yabo? Lokho kukwenza futhi ukuthi wazi ukuthi uma sengithanda mina izinto zizoshintsha. And kuzoba nemithetho phela ekuzomela ngiunderstand ukuthi izinto zilandelana kunomthetho wani we patience, inspiration and patience. Uthi kumele ngibe patient. As long as the first thing that you should know, kumele wazi leli qiniso leli lokuthi konke it is within your powers. These people are using the very same thing that you should be using in your favor. They are using it against you. Yabo? But okumnandi bakhona abantu hlezi bekhona. Oh no. Bahlezi bekhona oh no. Abathi asakhe nomkhumbi obuyeza uzamcolo to save the future generation. Bakhona. Leli qiniso is being cascaded. But it was lost in translation. Yabona amasonto. I-religion enye yezinto futhi eshintshile izinto yaziletha zaba amanga. Yasa ifaka some spicy lies here and there. Yabo? Yakuthi kufaka amanga lapha nalapha ya. Kodwa uyathola masu usuphakathi lapha kwi-religion ukuthi ikhona into enobudlelwane nawo ama-hermetic principles. Yabo? Kodwa manje yasi-alterishwa yathiwa kanje. Yabo? Ayi afethu. Hayi kancane kuzolunga. Mina into engiyibonayo ukuthi kancane kuzolunga. Bantu nina eni concerned ngabantu ukubatshela iqiniso. Even kuthiwa niyazonda. Go on, carry on, do it, because at the end of the day, we are not for any profit, we are not for anything. We are just the hollow bamboo. The universe is expressing itself through you. We are losing nothing by being hated by people. We are losing nothing, but instead, we are just setting yourself free, because this thing is there within you, and the universe wants you to cascade it. Yabo? Fana nesangoma esivele sithi kuthi yabo indaba zomuntu ziyangisinda, yabo? Ziyangisinda kuba ngathi ngomtshela. So kuba into enjalo ke, but okumnandi we are just talking, and then uma ngabe footstep ye lokhungana ya master ihlala uyazi nawe ukuthi ama students ears they just wide open. Hayi ake asigawule zishiwe hayi just that was just food for thought. Ayizwa lonto.